Well, we have plenty of that.
Yeah. That is cool. Yeah, it was over here, eh? Around like this construction zone.
Not dry conditions.
Oh, we're gonna go right on top of it here. That is kind of cool.
So, was it tornado?
Well, yeah, I guess so.
Maybe it's like a fire.
Tornado fire. Can you see it up there yet? We're almost on top of it. Yeah, actually, we're right on top of it.
Oh my goodness. You'll see it from the camera soon. That's
Yeah, we're right on
crazy.
top of it, right there.
Wow. Oh, you may want to watch traffic though. Wow. Bye bye, tornado. I hope you weren't a real tornado.